Hi, hi.
Hi.
Hi pala is bye here. So it's just hi. As promised, we're on our way to
Tivoli Garden.
Tivoli Garden, which was the inspiration of Walt Disney for the California Disneyland. One of the oldest carnivals. 200 years. Oh, andito na pala tayo. Very near our hotel. There. Tivoli Garden. Tivoli. There's an entrance fee. Entrance fee for entrance and rides, 489 crowns, local currency. For entrance only, it's 190 for
Around
adults. 1,600
1,600.
pesos. Lego pala is there. Sa entrance pa lang may Lego na. So, what do we do first? Lego first or enter first?
Enter.
Okay, enter first. Let's buy tickets. Ticket booth. So, we're here inside. Danish flag over there. They love their flags. Flag. A lot of Asian tourists now. Let's go around. So, garden talaga siya. Lots of plants and flowers here. Uy, tulips. Ang ganda oh.
Ganda. You pay separately for the ride.
Yeah. There's a package, di ba? Yung nakita natin kanina sa entrance. Nice. So talagang... And there are rows of restaurants here. All over. I think the restaurants are all over. But this is primarily a garden with rides. Food hall. Busog pa kami, so later na yan. Nice. So,
Can you imagine this place during full spring?
yeah. Colorful, ano? Merong crowd doon, no? Siguro may show ranch. Let's go there. I suppose that's the Asian stage over there. Cafe, souvenir shops. Nice. Oh yeah, today is Easter. So kaya maraming eggs around. Easter egg hunt. There are lots of children over here. There's a free show over there. Oh, may Figaro dito. Doon may mga rides. Mga restaurants nga around. Pictures ng roller coaster ride. Ito yung roller coaster nila. Ito yata ang version nila ng Space Mountain.
Correct.
Mga peryahan. Rancho yung mga peryahan.
Ang may tanong ako, bakit yung pera nila dito malamig?
May maganda rancho look.
Ganda.
Hindi ko yan kaya. Mas gusto ko yung Ferris wheel sa merry-go-round. Milk tea, stuffed toy. Saya. Woo! Nice. Yan, gusto kong ride yan. Kesa sa roller coaster. O kaya yun, ayoko nun. Nakakatakot to. Itong ride na to. So see, this ride is apparently since 1888. Parang nga siyang Disneyland, no? So this is the price for the hot dogs, 40 crowns. Of course, souvenir shops. Marami ring souvenir shops around. Dami palang rides sa Orange, oh. Dami pang rides over there. According pala sa aming tour guide yesterday, may fireworks din dito paggabi. Laki, no? Malaking lugar. Huli. May bumibili ng ice cream. This is the map of the garden. Laki. Lots of things to see. Meron pa dun, ranch. Right through the passage. Meron pang ride. Ako nakikita. Wow, roller coaster. Ranch.
Wow! Gusto ko.
Donuts. Popcorn. Dami. Saya. More rides. Ben and Jerry's. Ben and Jerry's over here.
Non-dairy.
There's non-dairy ice cream. Garden portion to, no? Tingnan mo. Parang may mga greenhouse or restaurants ba yan? Oh. So the garden is yung mga plants and trees, flowers all over. Kaya siguro siya tinawag na garden. Pero primarily, it's a carnival. When in Denmark, in Copenhagen, try original coffee. I think this is an original Danish brand of coffee.
Original coffee.
It's all over Copenhagen. You won't miss it. Meron din dito sa loob ng Tivoli Garden. Para sa gusto ng spike ko, meron din. May kombucha din. Merong Baileys. So, galing na tayo doon. We're about to go to the exit. Ranch, meron ng show dun sa Asian stage. Mas excited ako pagpapalabas kasi we're going to the Lego store. Buy some souvenirs. So, there's another show. A comedy show. Our tour guide said they have excellent ballet dancers here. Highlight. Lego store. Pasok tayo. Unfortunately, wala kami nabili. Maganda sana yung idea ng build your own or make your own Lego character, pero kailangan pala ng pinipilahan pala siya.
Same day only.
You need a same day booking for that.
There's a limited number of slots.
Okay, so that's our short trip of the Tivoli Garden. If you're in Copenhagen, this is a recommended place to go, especially if you want to bring out the child in you. So till then, hi hi.
Hi hi.